Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C75 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's enter date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date we want to apply. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and the time zone. Just tap on it, and here you've got available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and it will be immediately set. You can also use dual clock, which means that basically your device will display two different clocks, the first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one from any other place in the world of your choice. And here you can change the time format. You can use either 12-hour format or 24-hour one. It's totally up to you. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.